Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Check Studio. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to hide your game and app history on your profile for your Xbox One. So we want to go up to the top, go to settings, go down to account, and go to versus privacy and online safety. Type in your PIN if you got one. Go to Xbox privacy. Go to custom, view details and customize. Go to online status and history. So you can decide if you want other people to see your online status. I have mine set to friends. And then here's the one for your games and app history. Decide who can see your game and app history. I have this set to friends only. Or you can go to only me so nobody sees what you're doing on your Xbox. So just set it there and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.